the patients, visitors and the hospital deserve a really great piece of art. My name is Ivan Morison. I'm an artist currently working on a commission for Cambridge Cancer Research Hospital. The work is a large sculptural piece for the entrance of the hospital. The work is made out of ceramic tiles and it has 3D depth, and it's a piece you can sit within or view. As you walk, I guess, into reception, it sort of changes as you walk past it. It creates this space where people can come together, I guess. Today we're at Wising Art Centre. This fantastic rural art centre, but just on the edge of Cambridge. It sits very much within the landscape itself. And we're in the middle of a series of workshops, which are part of the process. I really like to try to bring in public-facing process. Like if I need to know something, like we can do it together. We can all kind of share in that learning. So we're learning today about how we can take clay that we've gathered, that participants have gathered from the gardens allotments, and turn that into glazes and slips, and how that might then be reflected in the final colours of the work. It's quite a monumental piece. It's big and it's kind of quite physical. But I want that to be like a reassuring touchstone.